Horror please, horror film. Korean night again, as always.
Childish. And I still laugh.
I know you can hear me, so here it is.
My legs. Hello, Daddy.
Tomorrow the marshmallows.
Yeah. We are here in the camping. Nasa camping kami ngayon, guys. Watch kami ng movie. Where's Puppy Dog? That's Puppy Dog. We have giant chilies. Of course, as always, Korean samgyupsal. So we have Korean nights again. We are still in the camping site. Look at them. They're watching movie in the projector. Wow! Ayan sila. Ayan si Daddy. Daddy? Oh, yummy.
Yeah, good. She needs to improve.
Yeah. Our Ilonggos mang inasal sa Inglaterra. Tararararan, dararararan.
Ha?
Oh. Ooh. Look at that.
Pinoy tayo.
Kita sa mundo.
Kung anong kaya mo.